Hola, ¿qué tal? Welcome back to my channel Spanish con Ishita. I am back with another video. So today we will discuss about Spanish articles. Guys, since this is an important and a lengthy topic, I've divided this video into two parts. Part 1 will focus on the definite articles and part 2 on indefinite articles. So, without further ado, let's get started. Articles are of two types, definite and indefinite, definido y indefinido. A definite article is used before a noun to indicate that the identity of the noun is known to the readers. Indefinite article is used before a noun that is general or when its identity is not known. So first, let's discuss about definite articles. In English, there is only one definite article, that is the. But in Spanish, you have to choose between el, la, los, and las, where el and la are for singular nouns and los and las are for plural nouns. In Spanish, all nouns including things are either masculine or they are feminine, that is called their gender. The first word which we are going to discuss is el. El is used before masculine singular noun. El chico, which means the boy. El país, which means the country. These two are masculine singular nouns. Okay, guys, let's discuss el in a sentence. La gente del país India es muy amable. Here, del is nothing but de plus el. De is a Spanish preposition which we will discuss in some other video. Guys, remember, whenever they and el are used together or they appear in the same sentence, we always combine them. Hence, together they make del. So here in the example, el país is the country and país is a masculine word. Hence we use el. The second article is la. La is used before feminine singular nouns. La chica, which means girl. La casa, which means house. Now let's understand it in a sentence. La hermana de Puja tiene fiebre. Now here, hermana means sister, which is a feminine word. And in the example, the identity of the noun is known. Hence, we use la. Los is used before plural masculine nouns. Los coches, which means the cars. Los chicos, which means the boys. Now let's understand it in a sentence. Comemos los helados en el restaurante. Helado means ice cream, which is a masculine word. Helados means ice creams. Hence, we use los before because helados is a plural masculine word. Las is used with feminine plural words. Las revistas, which means the magazines. Las mujeres, which means the women. Let's understand it with the help of a sentence. Mi abuela me da las naranjas para comer. Naranjas means oranges, which is a plural feminine word. Hence, we use las. Now, I hope you guys have some idea as to, how we have to use el, la, los, y las. Now, let's look at some more examples so that you guys, will have a better understanding. So now let's take some examples of nouns which stand for people or animals. All right, guys, so on the left hand side, you can see all the masculine Spanish words, and on the right hand side, we have all the feminine Spanish words. So, boy is called el chico, whereas a girl is called la chica. Grandfather is called el abuelo, and grandmother is called la abuela. Similarly, a male friend is called el amigo, whereas a female friend is called la amiga. A male cat is called el gato, and a female cat is called la gata. So I'm sure you guys must have noticed this pattern that all the words ending with O are masculine words and all the nouns ending with A are feminine words. Yes, this is true till some extent, but there are some exceptions as well. So now let's take a look at all the exceptions. Now, guys, these are few exceptions. Now, in this, you'll see all the words ending with A are masculine words, and all the words ending with O are feminine words. There are some examples, and guys, you'll need to remember them. There's no shortcut. So, el día is a masculine word, whereas la radio is a feminine word. Similarly, el mapa is a masculine word. El planeta, el cura, all of these are masculine words, whereas la mano, la foto, y la moto, these are all feminine words. Guys, these are just few words and few exceptions. If you like really want to learn, I'd recommend you guys to read, because then you'll come across new words and you'll learn their meaning as well as how to use them. So guys, this was the part one of the video where we discussed about definite articles. In the second part of this video, we will discuss about the indefinite articles that will come next week. So, so I hope I was clear enough, and I hope that you guys like the video. If you guys still have any doubts, please leave them in the comment box below and I will get back to you ASAP. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, please don't forget to hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed, then please do. I make videos every week. So see you next week. Adios. Hasta pronto.